Let's begin with our first award for this evening. This award is for excellence in data-driven business transformation. And ladies and gentlemen, the award goes to Amplify Analytics. With a huge round of applause, join me in welcoming Anna Thomas, the co-founder and partner, to join us on stage, please. Amplify Analytics is an international business analytics and data science company focusing on the core business questions with top-notch technical solutions and specialization in process-based solutions.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
I welcome you to the Outlook Business Spotlight Nation Builders Excellence Awards.
Thank you.
And first of all, I would like to congratulate you for getting awarded as the Excellence in Data-Driven Business Transformation for Amplify Analytics. There are a few questions that I would like to ask you. So how do you feel getting this award?
It's fantastic. It's a recognition. It's external validation. We're always very proud of what we do. But when you have somebody else tell you this is great, it's always fantastic. So thank you. Thank you for this.
So as we know, as an awardee, you're being recognized today for pushing the boundaries. So what specific innovation or shift within your organization has allowed you to drive significant change in your industry or community?
So with Amplify, we are very close to our clients. So and the clients today have different problems from what it was before. So there's a lot more focus on reducing costs, on driving efficiency, on growth in a very, very competitive environment. And we use, of course, we use all the latest technology and cutting edge data science in terms of AI, ML, Gen AI. But our focus has always been how does it help our partners, our clients, our teams. So we create a very experimentational environment to drive innovation. We have a very collaborative culture that drives innovation. We are, of course, very close to all the technology and we've adopted it as part of what we offer. But I think our uniqueness stands in how we problem solve for our clients, how we are not just smart, we are helpful in how we sort of use the technology.
That's lovely to hear from you. My next question goes like, in what ways has your organization contributed to making India more competitive on the global stage?
So we have a team of very smart members across multiple hubs in the world, including India. And what that means is that we work with colleagues worldwide, and India is a strong contributor in what we do. So we are providing analytic solutions to clients across the world, whether it is in Europe or in America. And India is seen as a leader, as a problem-solving champion when it comes to analytics problem solving. I think one of the things that is very unique to our company is our culture. So our culture is extremely inclusive. All the women, for instance, in the leadership, all the leadership is women, which is not completely by design, but it has turned out like that. So we actually walk the talk on inclusion, on diversity, on collaboration. We're a small, smart team. So that's been great, yeah.
Women inclusion in today's leadership is amazing to come from a company like you, right?
Yeah.
So the next question is, given the rapid pace of change, how do you future-proof your business to remain relevant while supporting India's long-term economic vision?
Yeah, that's a good question. I think fortunately for us, because we are in the analytics and the technology space, we're leaders in adoption. So we are always adopting what is the newest, most relevant thing for our different, from whatever is there among platforms and so on. And what that means is that we use the solutions depending on what the problem is. We're not just using whatever is the latest buzzword, right? So we are really adopting technology as we move along. And we're taking all our partners, our customers, our team on that journey. And I think we're really sort of then poised for growth.
So hearing you, I feel that this is a perfect combination of innovation plus confidence coming from your end. Ma'am, there's one more question for you. Looking beyond business success, how do you envision your company contributing to the broader vision of a more inclusive, equitable and prosperous India? And what steps are you taking towards this vision?
That's a great question. So, Amplify has a very unique culture. We are a very inclusive company, and as an example, our leadership right now is all women. Not completely by design, but it is how it is now. Right, that's how it's turned out right now, and we're very proud of that diversity. We are a very collaborative team. We really take people on the journey. We're not here to, give you a tool and then leave the building. We're really here to problem solve with our clients. That sort of collaboration, people first, inclusion, and really walking the talk. We're not just about the words. If you meet the team, if you see the profile of the team, and like I said, the leadership as well, you see us really walking with that purpose of inclusion.
It's great to know. Thank you so much.